Hello students, we are here again for you and we are going to study sentence formation, another part of grammar today with you all. What is a sentence? See here, we have few sentences for you. Read the following sentences. First, likes Ram fish. The second sentence writes here, Ram likes fish. The first group of words make no sense, but the second group of words make sense here. So, what we see here is that the first group of words which make no sense is not a sentence, but the second group of words which make complete sense is a sentence. And what we conclude here? That a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and concludes with an end mark like full stop, question mark or exclamation point. In order to make a complete sentence or sense in a sentence, we should have subject and predicate also. Take a look at this example. Sudhir is an intelligent boy. Sudhir is subject here. Is an intelligent boy is predicate. So, the given words here make complete sense. It has a subject and also a predicate. Therefore, we say it's a sentence. Observe another given sentence here. The old monkey in the tree. There is a subject, the old monkey, but there is no predicate because we have the old monkey in the tree. The given words do not make complete sense because no predicate has been added in this sentence. Therefore, the given words do not form a sentence. We conclude that simple sentence here should have two parts, subject and predicate. A sentence which consists of subject plus verb plus object. For example, Ram likes fish. Ram is subject here, likes form the predicate which has a verb here and fish is an object. Now, the next move is we have to understand what is subject. That part of a sentence about which something is being said is called a subject. Now, observe this sentence, fishes swim, the golden fishes swim, the golden find fishes swim. What we observe here is that the above sentences, the main word is the fishes here. Now, the main word in the complete subject, we say it's a simple subject or the head word in the sentence. Secondly, the subject may have the head word which can be a noun or it could be equivalent to noun as the first sentence shows here. Head word and adjunct. Adjunct means it can be an adjective or it can be a determiner. As second and third subject shows here. For example, the red hot iron in the furnace will be molded in an axe. Subject here is the red hot iron in the furnace. Predicate will be molded into an X. And what is the head word here? Iron is the head word here. Let's take a look now. The second part of the sentence is what is predicate? We've understood what is a subject. Now, let's understand what is a predicate. That part of a sentence which says something about the subject is called a predicate. As in subject, the predicate may have the head word, that is the finite verb only, or head word and adjunct which may be complement, adverb, object or preposition. I give you example here again I repeat. Fishes swim. Fishes swim beautifully. Fishes swim beautifully for hours together. For example, take a look, fishes swim. So, we have fishes, subject, swim forms the predicate here. Fishes swim beautifully. Fishes, subject, swim beautifully together form a predicate here. Fishes swim beautifully for hours together. We have fishes, subject, swim beautifully for hours together forms the predicate here. Therefore, what we see here is the head word swim is common in all given sentences, which means head word or finite verb is an essential part of every sentence. Adjuncts may or may not be present, remember that. Here it is important to note that the smallest sentence in English is not possible without a verb. A verb has to be there to call it a smallest sentence, that this is a sentence. See here, fishes swim. You need to have a verb here if we say that it is a sentence. Now we have number of types of sentences. The broader ones are, they can be classified into 4 types: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Now what is assertive sentence? An assertive sentence, we say, is a declarative sentence. You declare something, you pass a statement. Let's see here, but it needs to be followed by a full stop. Ram reads the book. Sita is singing. The structure of this statement is, look at here, subject plus verb plus other words. Now, other words could be object. Example, I like mangoes. I is subject here, like is verb and mangoes is other words. It can be object. There are 3 kinds of statements. We have affirmative, that is declarative, negative and emphatic. Example of affirmative would be, I like reading. It's a declaration. You passing a statement, I like reading. But same sentence if we say negative, I do not like reading. The third is emphatic. You put emphasis on it and say, I do like reading. So, we have emphasis here. Now, interrogative sentence is the second type of sentence, and as the word suggests, we have question here. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It is followed by a question mark. It can begin either with an auxiliary verb or with an interrogative pronoun. For example, are you going to deliver a lecture? Question mark at the end of it. And are you here? Are is an auxiliary verb. See the second, where have you kept my purse? It begins with a pronoun and yes, purse, it ends with question mark here. There are 2 types of interrogative sentences. We say yes, no, interrogative sentence. Yes, no kind, where you have to answer either in yes or it's in no. The structure of the yes and no interrogative sentences, see here, do you know English? So, obviously, you will answer, yes, I know English. No, I do not know English. Therefore, we say it's yes, no interrogative sentence. It's auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb and object or other words. Do is auxiliary verb. Then, of course, you have subject you, know is verb and English is other word. Then another kind of interrogative sentence is WH, where you have to answer in full. The basic sentence structure is question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus other word. Example, where are you going? It ends with question mark, so we say it's interrogative sentence. Where are you going? So you have to answer that I am going to such and such place. The third kind is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, as the word suggests, expresses a command or it could make a request. It is followed by a full stop. Strong commands are also followed by sometimes with exclamation point. Such sentences may begin with present form of the verb or with don't. The subject you is not mentioned here, but you have to understand these are imperative in these sentences. They are implied there. See here the example. Call him here immediately. You're not saying you. Don't. Call him here means it's implied that you are talking about somebody. Lend me your book, please. Shut the door. Watch out. See the exclamation sign here? When we see these above sentences, the subject is implied here. That has to be understood, but you don't mention it in the sentence. Secondly, we see that all these sentences begin with present form of verb. Call, lend, shut, watch. These are present form of verbs. And of course, the last we say exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings or they show excitement, the emotions. It is followed by exclamation mark. Let's take a look here. What a beautiful flower it is. See the exclamation point here, the mark. How high the building is. Hooray, we have won the match. Alas, he is no more. What we see here is that these sentences express different types of emotions here. Delight, surprise, joy, anger, pain, disgust, etc. Then we have some sentence structures. Let's talk about some basic sentence structures in English here for you. You have first structure 1. Let's take a look. Birds fly, fish swim, time flies. What do we have here? Subject is bird here, which is noun, plus verb, fly. So, what the first structure is subject, that is noun, plus verb. Here there can be an extension of, remember, of these both noun and verbs. Example, before birds we can say the beautiful birds fly or the beautiful birds fly high. You can extend these structures. The second structure we have subject plus verb plus adjective. Sita is beautiful. They are intelligent. The dress is attractive. You have subject, Sita, verb is, and adjective because it qualifies beautiful. It qualifies noun here. So, we say it's an adjective, beautiful. The third structure is subject plus verb plus adverb. Now, here you have Ram is there. We know adverb means it's an adverb of time or a place. So, here Ram is there means adverb of place. You have Sita is here, John is away. So, what do we have here? Ram is subject, is verb and adverb is there. Structure 4, subject plus verb plus noun. Ram speaks Tamil, John drives a car and I saw the Taj Mahal. So, subject in the first sentence is Ram plus verb speaks plus noun here is Tamil. Sentence structure 5 for you all. Structure plus verb plus object. She cooked food. Tom washed his clothes. Sentence structure 6. Subject plus verb plus indirect object and plus direct object. Try and understand this sentence. We asked him some answers. They brought him some drink. So what do we have here in this structure? Subject is they, plus verb brought, indirect object here is him. Some drink is direct object. Now, when we are writing some sentence structures, we normally commit some errors. You students have to keep in touch with this and take a look at errors so that you don't commit these errors. While forming the structure of any sentence, we have some rules which are applicable. Take a look here. We cannot ignore them. If we ignore these rules, these grammatical errors will be definitely committed. Observe these given sentences. Look at this. The first sentence says, he like movies. Second, Ram am a boy. Where you kept my bag? She will be not given this information. They have been danced since morning. Or what you are doing these days? All these sentences have errors. Let's see what the errors are here. He liked movies. This is incorrect. The above sentence is incorrect. Why? Because when you see the verb like, it does not correspond with the subject here. Okay? In the above sentence, when we say he is the subject and like is the verb, it should have been in the same number as in the subject. Look at this sentence. When we say he is the subject here, in the given sentence is singular, and therefore verb like must be in a singular number. What we have instead, like here, is used in plural. The subject should have been likes. Now let's rewrite the sentence. He likes movies. So it's correct. If I had said we likes movies, then it would have been incorrect. We say we like movies, and when you have singular subject, he likes movies. This is a subject verb agreement, we say. It's a concord. Where you kept my bag? It's incorrect. Instead, what do we have? See, why is it incorrect? You must understand. Because WH word, where, why, this is followed by a helping verb. In the above sentence, there is no use of helping verb here. Therefore, we say it's incorrect. Rewrite the sentence by using the helping verb here. Where did you keep my bag? And this becomes correct sentence. Did is used, which is a helping verb in the above sentence, and the sentence becomes correct here. She will not be given this information. That becomes incorrect. And this is very common, error we commit. Normally people, they don't take care of saying that because not just comes after the main helping verb. Remember that. In the above sentence, which is the main helping verb, will, and not is placed after the main helping verb. Therefore, the sentence is grammatically incorrect. When we rewrite this, we say she will not be given this information. We don't say she will be not given. You have to say she will not be given this information, and we say this is correct sentence now. See others, they have been danced since morning. It's incorrect. The error in the above sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. Present participle form of the verb is used. In the above sentence, third form of the verb is danced. Let's rewrite here. They have been dancing since morning. And therefore, it becomes correct here. What you are doing these days? Why is it incorrect? Because WH word is followed by a helping verb. In the above sentence, again you see there is no use of helping verb. Therefore, we say it's incorrect. Rewrite the sentence by using the helping verb. What are you doing these days? Sounds correct because we are using the helping verb after WH. Are is used, which is a helping verb here in the above sentence, and the sentence becomes correct here. So, what we've done today is we've studied sentence formation. What is a sentence? We've done a sentence is a group of words that makes sense, that is meaningful. A sentence we've done can be of two parts, subject and predicate. Then further we said no sentence is without a verb in English language. Then of course we covered types of sentences. The first one was assertive sentence, which is declarative statement. The second was interrogative, as the word suggests. There are two kinds of interrogative questions we've done, sentences yes and no type, and of course WH types. The third was imperative, which covers giving orders or request. And the last one we said exclamatory, which reflects the emotions and feelings, and it is marked by exclamation sign. In the last, we've also done 6 types of sentences, patterns, that is structures. And of course, the errors we have said that the normal errors which you people commit in these sentences. Keep practicing. I hope you've enjoyed this lecture. Till we meet again. Bye.